That today, who is your favorite child? Yeah. I know. I know this is sensitive. I'm almost
you resign, I'm sure. You resign.
I can resign before time.
Yeah.
Okay, this is our mom, our villa mom. Welcome. Welcome to my channel.
Okay, congrats, mom. Kindly go and show support to my sister.
Yes, mom.
Nice mom.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice mom. She's a hard-working lady.
Thank you, mommy.
Kindly subscribe to her channel.
Okay.
And show her love and support.
Okay, thank you, mommy.
Yes, we are
thank
here
you.
struggling hard.
Yeah.
To make sure that we are good in that field.
Exactly.
Yes,
and then I know at the moment you're very busy. You are making things to be at least ready for the visitors.
Yes.
Okay, as our mom here.
Yes.
You're finding it rough or easy?
I'm finding it nice.
Nice, because they are your visitors.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, so kindly check on congrats. Me, I always give you a shout out, even in your absentia when I make my videos.
Yes, kindly show love and support.
Okay, thank you, mommy.
Yes,
thank you.
Mom.
Okay, thank you, mom.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Hello, guys. Welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, I'm Nice Mom. Guys, I'm so happy today and also humble. You know, we always have the father tomorrow, but very busy. It is not always easy, maybe to meet him and maybe talk to him because he's always up and down. But today, I'm so privileged to meet him here at the villa, and it has been my wish. Yeah, yes, even to talk to him because we know that every good work that is here, yeah, is the father of this home. So kindly watch my video until the end.
Watu wanakaa pale wakilia siku zote. Hapana. People should strive to move to the next level.
To the next level.
In that way, at least maisha yatakuwa mazuri.
Exactly, yeah.
Madam Eunice, please usirudi nyuma. And with the time utaweza ukaresign even from teaching.
Yes.
You can resign even, mom.
Yeah.
Unajua Diana alimaliza Bachelor of Education. Atakiwa kuwa mwalimu wa sekondari. Lakini aliniambia dad, sasa mimi sitaenda kutafuta kazi kwingine.
Imagine you've never encouraged me like this.
No,
at times I get discouraged.
No, mom. This is the right way to go.
Okay, thank you.
And I'm sure in a very short period to come, you will be far, mom. I would decide even to resign from teaching. Fanya mambo yako, mom.
But I'm almost
You resign, I'm sure. You resign.
I can resign before time.
Yeah.
Okay.
In fact, kama mtu kama mimi, si unajua, niliserve as a teacher kwa miaka mingi lakini kaona hapa nitapoteza muda wangu tu. Acha nirudi nyumbani nijifanyie mambo yangu. And I did. God has assisted me in a big way. You can see I moved to the next level. Mom, yeah, yani lazima tufanye vitu vile ambavyo itatuwezesha kufanya mambo mengine makubwa. Sio pale. Teaching every day kutoka saa 2 mpaka jioni. Utakuwa na nafasi gani ya kufanya mambo yako mengine?
It's true.
Inapendanga Asians and Europeans. Wao wakipata initial capital ako able kujifanyia mambo yake. Okay. Ndio maana wako mbele. Lakini sisi ni kuajiriwa pale mpaka niambiwe siku simeisha naenda nyumbani. Ni nini sasa ya hiyo ni nini sasa kabisa. Na indeed ule mzahara wa mwezi unajua wamecalculate. Wanajua kwa hizi mwezi ukiisha pesa zimeisha. Atakuwa mfungwa wetu siku zote kwa sababu hana namna nyingine.
It's true. Very true.
So mom, tujaribu kuchanuka. And that's why I'm so much moved kuwa umechanuka. That's why nimetumia hilo neno mom.
Yeah.
So Rome is never built in one day. So what can you tell those people who maybe think they'll just wake up one day and be up there?
People start from zero.
Yes.
People start from zero.
Yes.
And with the time, once you strive so hard, you'll move to the next level.
Yeah.
Try to work hard day after day.
Yes.
Okay.
And Mungu mweke mbele kwa mambo yake yote.
Yeah.
Mungu atawawezesha to move to the next level.
And how do you feel that your family is well and they are very organized and disciplined people?
Anyway, it's by the grace, mom.
Yeah, it's by the
and
grace
it depends on the foundation.
Yes.
Okay.
Mimi kwa kweli nashukuru Mungu, hakuna siku nimepembeleza watoto. Kama Dee siku moja nimemsikia akisema kwa haingekuwa baba yangu singekuwa vile. Nilikuwa namwambia hapana, kama ni kuamuka, somebody should wake up by saa 9. Unajiorganize kabisa by saa 10, saa 11, you are out like that. So it depends on the foundation for the family levels.
I just have a question for you.
Yes,
like, you have been saying, you just said that you have been a teacher.
I worked in primary schools, in secondary schools. I even owned schools, mimi.
Okay.
I'm talking from
my
experience.
question goes like, for the young people who are really aiming to have courses that relate to the white collar jobs, what kind of advice would you like to give?
Now, one thing I know what has really misled Africans is that once you have education is to get employed.
Okay.
Education is to make you be able kujifanyia mambo yako.
Yeah.
Umeona? That is the major goal of education. Sio kuwa upate education, you demand white collar job. That is not the case.
Yeah.
You get education to enable you to work out your own things.
Okay, another thing, we have a lot of youths outside there crying that there's no job in Kenya mostly, or there's no job.
That is the problem we have,
so
because they never got some proper foundation. And that's why the government is now going back to CPC. Such that they get education to depend to enable them do their own work.
Yeah, the new system. Okay, another question, Baba.
And they will never cry.
Okay, Baba, may I call you Baba?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, because you know, once you are my neighbor, and I know where you guys came from.
Where we have come
What
from,
is the motivation beyond all this success?
It's a hard work.
Okay.
Hard work and a God number one.
Okay. Okay.
In everything that you do, involve God.
Okay.
You always move far.
Okay. So how do you handle maybe criticism and maybe challenges in life?
Yes.
Challenges are there to enable us be strong.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Once you are criticized, never be annoyed.
Okay.
That is one way of making you be strong. Like you people in YouTube, you will meet a lot of criticisms.
Okay.
And those ones should never let you down. Instead, they should make you be strong and move forward.
Okay. Okay, thank
Many
you.
people will criticize you. Many people will talk ill of you, but never look at human beings.
Okay. So me, I see, okay, at your age, you are working each and every day. There's no any time that I've met you seated. Yeah, what advice can you give maybe, even the young people?
Madam and the young people.
Yeah.
The body, your body, and his body and our body.
Okay.
I will always remain health, depending on how you make it.
Okay.
If you do a lot of exercises day by day, you'll never be sick. Our body needs to be strong so that it can resist so many diseases, ma'am.
Okay.
Me, I've never been sick yet. I've gone to the hospital. I'm admitted there. It has never happened.
And then you look very young, yeah? At your age.
You know, I'm 62 years now.
Wow.
I'm 62 years.
And men like you are just seated waiting to be fed. Yeah.
In fact, me, what I've always told my people,
Okay.
I'm able, I don't want them to give me anything to eat.
Okay.
I'm able to get my own food.
Okay.
And I want them to move to the next level. I don't want to be a partner with them.
To them. They're doing their own things and you're doing your own things.
I told them that now I've given you a platform to take off.
Exactly.
I will never, like Dee, I've always liked her so much. Within a very short time, she has done a lot of things.
Okay.
Because she had to listen to my advice, and the advice as a neighbor had to move to the next level. So we parents sometimes become a problem to our people, to our young ones.
Okay.
Once they have grown up, we get seated, we demand from them. Me, I've never liked it that way.
Okay.
I've always liked to work hard as they also work hard to move to the next level.
Okay, Father, today, who is your favorite child? I know. I know this is sensitive. But then, who is your favorite child?
Today, I like them all. I love them all.
There's no one you feel like this one?
I love them all because they normally listen to me. And whatever I tell them, they all follow. So I think they have always balanced the whole thing. Like
but I want to believe something, yeah? Even though it has not come from your mouth. You know, there is that relationship between the father and the daughter. That is why always I know you're very proud of the. In fact, even me, I'm very proud of that girl. Yes.
Madam,
I saw her growing up. Yeah.
When she was at Moi University,
Okay.
I had given somebody to make bricks at Nyambohans just along the highway.
Yeah.
Yes.
I went there to make it bricks.
Yes.
Okay.
When she came to say bye to me,
Yes.
I told her I've given you this plot.
Okay.
she asked me so many questions.
Okay.
Girls are never given land at their own home. I told her this land I bought it. Oh, Dad. She went. Within a very short time,
Okay.
she asked me to ask the owner who sold the land to me whether he's able to add the land. She sent me 300,000. I added the land. The land
Amen.
belongs to her.
Amen. Amen.
She
Amen.
really touched my heart to do in that way.
Okay.
From there, I've always encouraged her. She has quite a number of pieces of land around here.
Okay.
Palace, she has 1 hectare.
Okay.
The other side, she has 2 hectares.
Okay.
Everywhere.
Okay.
So in that way, I'm really proud of her because she's doing something that will always make her be strong in life anyway.
Okay.
Because land is a major factor of production.
Yeah,
you know?
Exactly.
Being a major factor of production, once I see somebody investing in land, that one brings me closer and closer.
Okay, in that you and your family have reached this far. Maybe when you're growing up, a young man, or when you are a child, what did you want to become? In that you some time back in life you were a teacher and then you decided to leave it. So what was your dream? What was your dream?
Anyway,
Yes.
you know, during our time,
Okay.
we had from Form 1 up to Form 6.
Okay.
You go to Form 4, once you qualify, you go to high school. From high school, then you go to university.
Okay.
Me, I went to Form 6,
Okay.
high school that is.
Yeah.
I missed 1 point to join the public university in Kenya. I had 9 points, and I missed only 1 point to qualify to Nairobi University.
Okay, this is why your children are also bright.
Now,
As their father.
immediately, I was
Yes.
absorbed in teaching.
Okay.
Immediately, I never stayed at home. I was absorbed in teaching.
Okay.
I taught for 10 years.
Okay.
Then I resigned. I went to India for further studies.
Okay.
That's where I did my BA
Okay.
in rural economics.
Okay.
So in your family, you're the first person to move out of the country.
Wow.
That was back in 1987.
So you opened the way for everyone now.
Yeah, I wanted to say that this idea of traveling, it is in the blood.
In fact, I took my university education in New Delhi University in India.
Okay.
Yeah.
And let me ask you, how about if now like D, she can go like D and Marak, they can go like even years, some months without coming. How do you
I
feel
also
that?
went out for 3 good years without coming home. My family was here at home in Kenya. And I really felt it good like that.
Yeah.
There was no problem. So once they go even for 1 year, 2 years without meeting them,
Yeah.
me, it has never been a problem to me.
Okay.
I've always known that they are hustling.
Yeah.
And that's the way to go anyway.
Yeah.
So that one has never been a problem to me.
Okay.
I've always encouraged them to move far and wide.
Now,
Yeah.
what about the time now they will leave you and like this one now he has moved from the compound to this place. Now Devi again moves to that to another place. Now D moves from that. Are you not going to be lonely?
Not really, because me, I'm prepared that
mom is there.
anything can happen.
Yeah.
Anything can happen, and once anything has happened, I'm able to meet it anyway.
Yeah.
And I mean, these are facts. These are facts we
they're
cannot
facts,
avoid.
Yeah.
I will start with. I started with 1, and I will remain be 1.
With what?
It can so happen.
Okay, let me maybe the last question to you.
Yes,
How do
ma'am.
you feel that your children are celeb? Because at times, okay, there's that human nature that somebody feel, okay, yeah, my children are like this. So you as a person, I know your background is Christianity and you are very strong Christian. So how do you feel that they are touching the lives of people and they are celebrities?
Anyway, one thing I've always prayed for them.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have always prayed for them.
Okay.
Being in that profession, they should not forget God.
Okay.
I've always encouraged them, madam.
Okay.
I've always prayed for them, and God has always answered my prayers.
Okay.
Amen.
So
Although
they
they cannot be 100%,
Yeah.
but I'm trying so that God can touch them.
Okay. So at least the prayer is also helping you not to have that maybe spirit of pride, something like that.
And like now, you see there are some celebs you can't meet even their father. Don't allow some people, you see some of the celebs fathers, you cannot even enter to the compound. Like the way people pop in your compound all the time.
We are human beings. We are never changed. We are the same people.
Because I always see your compound is open for everyone. Everyone
Exactly.
comes.
Same people, And God has really empowered us with all those to use them to help others also.
Okay. So we call you our father because as in YouTube. You are our
Father.
So we thank you for the humility and even taking your time to stand and maybe have a conversation with us, and it just shows the humility that you have. So it is my prayer that God may continue giving you more strength and many years. We know that God is going to bless you. Thank you for this humble time that you've given us. We appreciate you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you for your time.
And move to the next level.
Okay, thank you even for the
Prayer that
encouragement.
you also move to the next level.
Thank you so much.
When you move to the next level, you will be empowered to assist others also.
Thank you. So in that everybody in your family is a YouTuber. When are you starting your YouTube channel?